Today we are hiking out to the Candy Cliffs, just north of St. George. We're at the Yount Flats trailhead right now. It's not much of a trailhead. There's one other car here.
It's a nice crispy afternoon of 100 degrees.
Super glad we're in the area again and we're gonna head out. There's a lot of trees. We thought we'd just be in the Rocky Desert, but like 3 miles that way, 3 miles back. It's late in the day. It's nice and hot. As Bri said, it's like 100 degrees, but we're going out there for sunset.
It is hot. A friend recommended this to us and we also found it on our own research. This hike we're about to do, we're really excited. Like Kevin said, we were going to do it last time we were here. We just didn't have enough time. So here we are. And I think it's gonna be really sweet. There's some clouds, so maybe we'll get a sunset.
I just sprayed head to toe with bug spray and there are just gnats everywhere. Yeah, they were on my bag too. So bug spray if you're doing this hike, for sure.
The road was pretty mellow for the most part. It was just like windy and kind of had some drop-offs. But as far as the road condition itself, it was just like a dirt/gravel road. We had no problem at all. I would not recommend going if it was like wet or muddy. That could get gnarly, but we had no problem.
What car were we in?
Oh, the little baby Toyota Corolla. So we can make it, so can you.
There are so many bugs. I think they like our bug spray, but pretty miserable between the heat and the bugs. We've made it to the rocks. We thought this whole hike was going to be on rocks, like similar hikes in the area, but lots of trees, lots of bugs, lots of sand. Now we're on the rocks, so now we can just explore, kind of have a great view behind us now, and in the distance is Hurricane and St. George. And now we're just going to go find the Candy Cliffs.
We've just been kind of sitting on the rocks, waiting for better light and getting eaten alive by bugs. And trying to find the perfect rock to sit on, which that took a good like 20 minutes of that.
See all these slanted rocks? We were trying to find the perfect couch rock seat. Wow, look at her. She went to the tallest rock. It's really windy. I don't know if you can hear me. The sun is set. We just had a ton of awesome drone shots and video. Bri and I were little bit more while the sun is nice and low and there's no crazy shadows, and then head back to the car. Beautiful hike. Hopefully you've heard anything we've been saying in this wind.
This was amazing, and I definitely recommend coming at sunset. We were here like 4 hours before, and it just like didn't look as colorful or vibrant, and right now it looks incredible.
Yeah, definitely sunset.
So
bring a
that's a tip.
headlamp. Bug spray, we keep saying.
Bug spray, yes. All in all, Candy Cliffs was a success.
Insane. We will give you guys an update of the car, but hope you guys liked it so far.
We made it back. It's 9:30 exactly. 1 hour drive back to the spot, then sleep.
That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed me blinding myself. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bri and I travel full time and love creating videos and sharing them with you guys. So if you're still watching, thank you, and we'll see you later.